Hey guys, welcome to question FM140 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. Now, this question reads, the graph below shows the growth in value of a $10,000 investment over a period of 4 years. And then you got my rough table here, but you guys have a better table that you should refer to while doing this question. I'm just using this as a guide. So a different amount of money is invested under the same investment conditions for 3 years. So what we're looking at here is $10,000 being invested over 4 years, and we're going to try and figure out those investment conditions. In total, the amount of interest earned on this other investment is $2,040. The amount of money initially invested is what? Now, there's a little bit of a logical progression. I like this question because if you're able to answer it, it demonstrates an understanding of loans and the conditions that you've been studying this year. So let's take a quick look at this loan because we've got to figure out the investment conditions here because we've been told that a different amount of money is being invested under the same conditions. So what are these conditions? First of all, we can see that we're dealing with some sort of simple interest because we're getting an increase of the same amount each year, that same amount being $400 each year. So what we could do in order to solve what the interest is on this loan, or what these conditions are, we need to figure out what that interest rate is. So if we take our 10,400 and minus 10,000, so we're looking at these 2 points here. So we're looking at after 1 year, he's got $10,400, but when he initially invested, he invested $10,000, which means that minusing 10,000 from 10,400 will leave us with just the interest that he earned in that year. So just that 400, and we're going to divide that by 10,000. So we want to know what percentage 400 is of 10,000. Now, if you plug this into a calculator, you should get an answer of 0.04, which that would convert to, as a percentage, 4%. So we know that this simple interest account is increasing by 4% each year. So it's going to continue increasing by $400 each year. Now this 4% is handy because what we know about our other investment is that it's earned $2,040 over 3 years. So first we're going to break down that $2,040 into how much would that other investment earn each year. So 2,040 divided by 3, plug that into your calculator. This other investment is earning $680 each year. So $680 is 4% of something, and we need to figure out what that something is. Now there's a couple of ways you could do this next step. You could do it by hand and work it out algebraically, or because you guys have access to a calculator, I would recommend using the solve function in your calculator to complete this next step because it is far less likely to make a mistake than you are. So solve, we want to know what 4% of our unknown number, so we might use x, is going to be 680. So this equation here says 4% of some unknown number is going to be 680, and we want to know what that unknown number is. Like I said before, you could take this amount here and figure it out yourself if you're quite clever. Divide 680 by 0.04. But this step here is always going to get it right. If you put in the correct equation into your solve function on your calculator, you're always going to get the correct answer. No chance of slipping up, missing a minus or a plus or the wrong command. So plugging this into a calculator, you're going to get X. Our initial amount of that investment was $17,000. So when $17,000 is invested under these same conditions, it's going to earn, and it's earning 4%, it's going to earn $680 each year. So 17,000 is our final answer, E. If you guys have any questions about how we came to this conclusion, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.